How to get store membership on Lazada. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to get store membership on Lazada. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Lazada on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can visit their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here, if you want to join a membership on Lazada, you can just go to your account right here, and if you scroll down, as you can see, there will be a membership button right here. And if you click that, you will be redirected to this page. So the membership page where you can see all of the store membership that you can that you can join, and each store has their own benefits. So you can join anything. It's up to you. So some of the store has their own, condition if you want to join them. So for example, I want to join the Oppo membership, and the Oppo requires me to present my birthday. And after that, after completing the condition, you can just complete or say click join, and yeah, that's it. You're already joined the store membership, and you will receive their benefits as they say. And yeah, that's it. So you can join as much membership as much as you want. There's no limit, and yeah, that's it. That's how you can join store membership on Lazada. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.